Hey guys, it's your girl Kyle. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for about 3 weeks now, and I can explain. So, with all this going on in the world, and I am deemed as an essential worker, it has taken like a mental, physical toll on everyone, and I felt the need to take a certain protocol in order to make sure I was good, and that took precedence over my YouTube channel, and that's just the real tea. This video is just to tell you a little bit about my jump journey, is what I'm gonna call it. This has been done before, but I haven't seen it in a while. Quick plug-in: if you like my little combo, my watch and my bracelet, it is from my website on www.lorrainelux.com. I did lose some weight. I have been losing weight up to the point where I decided to start this, and I had already incorporated things that have changed my lifestyle in order to lose weight, but this definitely will jumpstart some weight loss for you if that's what you're looking for. I would not recommend jump roping barefoot. I would recommend always working out in tennis shoes. One time I did an in-home workout and I didn't have any shoes, and you can screw up your feet pretty badly with that, so make sure you always wear your shoes. My agility got better, my endurance. This is a full body workout, so your arms and your legs and your core are all going to be incorporated, and you definitely can tell as your days go on. You do get less winded, you get stronger, you get more confident, you have some mental clarity, and I'll just list all the things that I'm talking about here on the screen. But yes, this is definitely something I think you should incorporate. Maybe if you don't like traditional cardio, this is a way that you can kind of incorporate cardio into your sessions without having to get on a machine. I did have multiple workouts that I did, but maybe, like I said, I'll make that for a separate video. But my very first day, yeah, I was tearing myself up with that rope. That rope was beating my okay. I mean, I was a jump roper back in the day, so I love to jump rope. So my day one may not look like your day one, and that's okay because this is your journey. So my first day, I'm just looking, and I can tell that my face, my body, my arms and everything are kind of out of whack. Yes, it's impressive, but I can tell by my body it was not in tune with my hands. My hands and my feet coordination was not up to speed of where it needs to be. I'm having fun with it. I'm laughing at myself. It's almost like my feet are like, okay, hurry up, get through this jump. Okay. And it's like my hands just can't keep up with my feet, or vice versa. Day two, I had some rollers in because I had perm rotted my hair, so don't judge me, okay? Day two, I actually did film. That's when I was like, okay, I should film my whole workout just for myself to look back on to see how I look. And that was like my actual workout. It wasn't just the jump roping. It doesn't take 21 days to create a habit, guys. It only takes a day for me to change my mind about something. If I want to do it, I'm gonna do it, and that's it. Like, I'm not gonna wait for 21 days to create a habit. It's a habit in your mind. That's all I need. One day, one mind change. All right, I did notice that I had to alter my jump rope. When you stand on your jump rope in the middle, it should come about to your waist height, right at your waist. That's how you can know if your jump rope is long enough for you or short enough. It should have a little give, and I do think part of the reason I was messing up a lot was because my jump rope wasn't adjusted properly, and you can tell that when I'm swinging, the jump rope is going off to the side. So yeah, here I'm trying a little skip to get my rhythm back. I'm trying, but I keep messing up, and I'm just smiling and laughing and rolling with the punches, and that's all you really can. And when I would jump rope at the gym, I would feel kind of uncomfortable because one, I'm in an open space, everybody can see me on the floor, and two, nobody jump ropes anymore. I feel like they were looking at me like, wow, like this girl really in here jump roping, like, yes. So when the gym opened back up, baby, best believe I'm jump roping, because now I'm ready. Like, you know what I mean? I don't really care if I mess up anyway, but now it's like, it's on now. It's on. Do you see a little bit of inconsistency with my legs as far as how I'm jumping? As far as the strength of one leg going up more than the other. So as the days went on, I definitely did begin to feel a lot lighter. I think that starts to happen when you begin to move and get active. You start to feel lighter. You don't feel as heavy. And it also probably has to deal with the fact that I haven't been eating heavy either. I've been eating just enough to where I feel full and where I can actually enjoy a meal later on, and I don't feel like I ate one meal, I'm done for the day. Day three, I was on it. I was really feeling some crisscross jumping combinations, and I was really I was living my best life. So I love speed roping. I love crisscrossing. I was feeling it. I was really focused on trying to make sure I lift both of my feet up and not just half tail one side, or favor the other side that seems stronger. And so with that being said, what I thought to do was to get some of my ankle weights, and I put them on and I jumped with my ankle weights. And that's when the video that I posted was like, "You're stronger than you think," came about, because I was like, okay, it's just like I used to play softball, so it's like you would put a weight on your bat and swing it around before you went up to bat, and then when you take the weight off, the bat feels so light. So I figured if I put ankle weights on, yes, it's a challenge, but when I take them off, my feet are definitely going to be up and moving. So that was the whole thought process of why I use ankle weights. So once I realized like this was becoming more of a lifestyle for me, I was like, okay, this is something that I really want to take onto my channel and share with people, because I know people and women that look like me or have the same body style, they feel like they need to deprive themselves of eating. They need to go on a massive diet. They need to do a huge detox where they can't eat for 7 days, and that's not what this is about. During this time, I was still eating, still following my old guidelines that helped me begin to lose weight, which I can touch on another time, but I feel like we don't need to do that. This is day 4. I was definitely feeling myself. I was dancing, I was into the music, I felt light as a feather. I started to move my feet more. So I was like, okay, we've done the crisscross. Your arms are good, Kyle, but let's move them feet. Like you got your rhythm now where you can move around a little bit more. But I want to see what you can do a little bit. Every single day during this jump rope workout, I did try something new every day. A new exercise. Day 5, I wasn't really trying to film that much. I was on a mission. I had stuff to do, and this is where I really started to incorporate some footwork in. This is where I started to get really confident with my mind body coordination, and I was really thinking about like my hands and my feet working together. One was more in unison, I guess you would say. I definitely felt like jump roping helped me become more flexible. I used to be, intermediately flexible growing up, and I was active in sports, but I feel like jump roping definitely helped me. And just to note, honestly, I did not stretch throughout this process before jump roping at all. I did different things to get me warmed up, and this was considered almost like my warm-up. Depending on how you jump, you can treat this like a warm-up. And yes, it doesn't matter that my week is up and I'm still gonna post random videos, but yes, you can do it too. Yes, I tried some new workouts. I was doing some side step lunges. I've never done those before. Still killing it with the planks and stuff like that. Felt very strong in my core. Day 6, I had hit a milestone, y'all. I was so proud of myself. I had gotten back into my J-Sculpt fitness belt, my original one that I purchased. When I had realized, I was like, okay, Carl, like, let's get back into your workout. And I wanted to wear my J-Sculpt belt, but I couldn't fit it anymore. And if you've purchased J-Sculpt, you know that it's very unforgiving. It works with you, and it can get you snatched like that, but it's very unforgiving. So I was like, you know what? Own up to it. You need another size. So I said, okay, I'm gonna up my size and I'm gonna work back down to my original. And that's exactly what I did. Not in this week, but this was a process that I had started before when I was losing weight. I was definitely feeling myself. I took a really nice picture, and to promote my shaker bottles on my website. Yes, I do sell some shaker bottles. They're almost sold out. My meal prep containers are all gone, so those are done. But yes, day 6, I was definitely feeling confident. I was feeling like, let's get this burn, let's get this workout. I wanted to sweat. I had curls in my hair, and I was like, I'm gonna wash my hair anyway, so let's go all out. Like, we're not even being cute today. Like, no day am I being cute when I'm working out, but that day, if I ain't gotta worry about my hair, it's a wrap. I was feeling, I swear, fly like a butterfly, sting like a bee. I was going, yo. The music too. You gotta get yourself a good music playlist. You can really kill it in a garage or whatever space, or outside on your porch, whatever, and you could really be getting it in. Like, I was doing stuff I've never done before. I felt so strong and empowered, and it might have to do with my mindset and how I've been trying to live my life recently, my lifestyle. But I'm telling you, like, I'm not playing no games. I was just super proud. And I don't post a lot of body, like full body pics on my socials and stuff, but people always tell me I should, but I just always been that kind of girl. It's just like, you just see me when you see me. Like, you'll see me when you see me, I guess. So, I mean, I posted a picture and people was like, yeah, you need to post more. Like, you need to get some workout videos. And it's so out of my comfort zone that I was scared. So, yeah, I mean, this workout, I was so proud that I can do these again. I used to do stuff like this all the time where basically I'm doing a plank, but I have dumbbells and I'm pulling them up from the ground, and then I incorporated a walk. What inspired me to do a walk with these dumbbells backwards, I have no clue, but honey, I was here for it because I could do it. So I'm telling you, your confidence will go up just from you jumping some rope. So about day 6, my legs started to hurt, not the front of my shins, but the like inside of my leg, like right above my ankle. That started to hurt. Not the ankle itself, but just, you know, in general, my legs were starting to feel tired. So I mean, it wasn't crazy, but yeah. So yeah, I'm so proud. My day 7, I look so relaxed. My upper body looks good. My hands are going together. I look so fluid while jumping. I was so proud of that video because I felt like, I'm like, damn, like shorty look professional. Like, let's go. I just want to tell you guys that you can do something so small and so simple that will help your mindset and help your body become better. And I want to help you guys become better and join me on this journey of becoming a better woman, a better person in general. And I hope you guys are doing okay during your quarantine and taking time to care for yourself, and self-love is the best love. So peace out, and I love you guys. Peace, love, and hair grease.